Our game this Friday right here on the National Broadcasting Network, it will be Vietnam represented by Team Vietso Petro going up against Ateneo. And now we send it over to Rina Villamor.
Yes, the Malaysian squad says there that it's no to home court advantage, but he has to continue with the effort. Coach Shiley mentioned earlier that they just need to challenge the other team and they have to put trust to themselves and trust to their teammates as well. This is one thing that will put them on the lead. Now, another thing is that they're playing too tense now. They need to relax more so they can focus more. On the other end of the court, the Philippine Army, there are two things important for them. They have to play more aggressive kasi nga, mabagal pa rin daw yung pinapakitang laro nila dito, and they have to mind their coverage also. Back you guys.
Well, kung mabagal pa yan, I don't know what else Rico de Guzman would like to see out of his girls. His girls have actually, thanks to Tina Salak, who's been a great facilitator of the offense here, they have been playing very well.
That's right. That's why the score is 8-2. But you know, I believe that if, let's say, Malaysia has a game tomorrow, I'm sure they're gonna get better and better by the game.
Right.
They're gonna gel more. Well, you know, better.
Joanne Bunag able to get that score with her left hand, so 9-2 right now. And the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the V-League Southeast Asian Club Invitational Tournament. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa MVA 300. The attack by Ted turned back there by Mayet Carolino. So now Malaysia has just fallen flat here in set number 3. And they will send back their original setter. Ito po si Laikwan Lim to replace Josephine Go. 10-2.
Oh, good serve.
At hindi nga naibalik yun. So Michelle Carolino, it's so hard to pick a player of the game here. Balsa is playing well, Carolinos, the two Carolinos are playing well, Dakis also playing well, Tina Salak playing well. I mean, it's kind of hard to pick just one.
That's right. Meron bang team MVP?
Well, we have to select one at the end of this game anyway. Hussein, Te, Salak, Mayet, Bunag, Laikwan Lim on the dig there. Jocelyn Cho.
Good dig.
And here is the attack from Mayet Carolino. Yo. Ted, this is a long rally. Here's Dakis.
Oh, good dig.
And Jocelyn Cho for Te. Dakis. Salak on the quick for Bunag. It's still alive. Here's Cho. Salak. Dakis, off the hands of you. Ang haba ng rally na yon, but it still comes out as a point for the Philippine Army here.
It was a long rally, but the quality wasn't that, you know, that great because they're all high tosses.
Well, yung tira ni Cho, the two attempts there were pretty sharp. And again, she's probably the best player already of this team.
Oh, definitely. Wow, good thing by Salak.
The karate chop dig there, but Dakis now forced to give up a free ball. Quick set ngayon, papunta rito kay Tan. So Julie Tan able to get the third point of this set for Team Malaysia.
Well, you can see, no, once Malaysia gets a good reception, they have also a lot of options in terms of offense. They have their plays that we don't really see because their defense has not been working for them.
That is Shatan Torres getting that one across. Attacking there is Te. One more time around for Te. Over everybody that time. Salak gets a hand on it. Here comes Dakis. And Dakis scores off of Laikwan Lim.
That's right. Down the line, kill for Rachel Ann Dakis.
So 13-3. Army now pulling away big time. Here's Mayet Carolino. Into the net.
That's right. Upon contact, we already knew it was going to go into the net.
Tried to do too much of that serve. Suk Ting Yu serving now. An orthodox jump serve, but it's effective so far. Joanne Bunag, Muhammad Hussein. Laikwan Lim getting it across. Dakis with the left hand. Laikwan Lim says, take that, Dakis.
That's right. The Malaysian curry.
Yeah. Laikwan Lim, of course, another former national team member. Wala sinabi taga-Taytay doon.
Kaliwa pa kasi sinabi.
Oh, naman. There's the back set now for Bunag, and Bunag Ay, hindi ba nahawakan yun ni Muhammad Hussein?
That's right. No, no.
Bunag missed then. So 13-6. Wow, Malaysia on a rally trail here.
Well, Philippine Army has to check themselves. They're being sloppy right now in this third set.
Dakis. Like Kwan Lim. From behind the attack line. That's too much to ask from their captain there, Jocelyn Cho. So 14-6. You may see a substitution right here for Team Philippines. Mamaya-maya na daw. Bunag. Like Kwan Lim. Setting up. Etong si Te. Here's the back set now for Mayat Carolino. Dug up there by Cho. Te. Yes.
Well, the defensive Army just watching that.
Wei Hong Te able to get another point. Rachel Andakis a little flat-footed that time. And here comes the two substitutions coming in here. In the end game, Mayat Carolino will sit down. Dalia Cruz will see her first action. And Ersi Ratay will come in for Tina Salak. So this is the third setter that we're seeing now from the Philippine Army. Kanina may cameo appearance si Ruby De Leon.
And Nerissa Bautista.
Yep.
Now it's Ersi Ratay and Dalia Cruz.
Oh, yung hindi na lang natin nakikita maglaro si Jen Reyes.
That's right. But
Everybody's
she
been set
can't
in.
na, no?
I don't know. Pwede pa na yung libero nga. Mas liberal pa nga yung substitution pattern ng libero because anytime you can actually just dart in. Oh, good idea there by Lai Kwan Lim, but it caught the net.
She wanted to do what Rachel Andakis did, but did not go over.
Tapos si Lai Kwan Lim, kahawig na naman itong kaibigan natin dito. As Rachel Andakis will put it in play right here. Na isang producer dati namin sa PBA. Kilala ni Barry yun eh. Yung kamukha ni Lai Kwan Lim, si Gia Aguinaldo. Diba? Diba? Here's the setup now. Oh, wow! Monster attack there from Jocelyn Cho.
Well, Jocelyn Kyo actually saying, I'm still here. This ain't over.
Her full name is actually Kwan Ki Tio. But she has an English name, Jocelyn. So we will call her Jocelyn Cho. Ersi Ratay, Balse! Pababa na si Balse nung natamaan niya yun.
Presence of mind by Mary Jean Balse.
16-8. All Philippine Army here in set number 3. We'll be right back.